Merry Christmas, Happy Easter, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, Happy Valentine, whatever occasion it is. You always wanted to give a gift to someone. So today we're going to do gift boxes. I'm going to do this kind of gift boxes today. This size also, because you can do it on a different size like that, or this way. It's the same idea, but different sizes. So I also can make boxes like this for the same idea, but this one I'm going to do it later in a different video if you want to come back and check later. And we can do this as a gift box, or we can do it as an ornament you can hang on the Christmas tree, and you can do all kind of colors. We can do that also in a different video, but today we're gonna do this box. Okay, I have green and red today because it is Christmas, but you can do any color that you want. The craft paper comes from Joann's. They have all kind of colors. I only have black and white and red and blah 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 colors that I have today. I'm gonna use purple color as a box today. So what you get the craft paper. You cut it into, this one is 6.5. So you measure 6.5 from this side. The 1/2 inch will be here, and you mark it, and you go all the way down with you make a line all the way down. So you're left with 6 inches. You divide it by half, which is 3, and you make a line down there. And the other side, this is 7. Let's say it's 7 inches. Okay. So the line that we did over here, we fold this like that, and we're gonna glue this with that later on. Right now, and this, the one in the middle, you just do it to fold it, and that will be the fold like this. So now, after we did this, we don't have to fold it right now, but you fold it that way for a reason. We're gonna use a CD that you have, and you come over here, and you mark, like you see here. Use a pen that has no ink anymore. It doesn't work. So we just need to do some marking like this. Do it round like that. You see, you still have the mark. So when you cut it, you don't see the pen or a pencil's ink in there. Do the other side same way, and then we're gonna cut that with the scissor. Okay, so I did that from this side, and then that side also. You don't have to do it with both sides, because you're gonna cut from one side, both of them at the same time. So we're gonna cut it like that. As round as possible. And then from this side also. This is the side is gonna fold the inside. Okay, so I'll take the garbage right here, and now we left with this paper. Now we don't need these to be hanging because they're gonna bother us later on. So we come here all the way to the end, and then we cut this way. Same on the other side. Come all the way to the end, and then cut like that. So we're done with this. Now we have a nice clean paper like that. That's how it looks. Okay, so again, we keep this folded. Now we're gonna use the CD the other way now. Now we used it to do this side. Now we flip it like this, and we're gonna mark here. Again, with the pen has no ink, just mark like this and push hard, hard, not to cut the paper, just to make a dent in the paper, like this. And that will help us to bend it that way. And look how it looks on the other side. Here you go, we did the first one. Now I'm gonna do the rest. Now we did this way, now we need it the other way, like that. There you go. And then we mark, push hard, 2, 3 times, or whatever times that it take just to make the cut, like this. Make it very easy and nice. Now the other side. We have to do the 4 corners, like to hold the paper also, because it slips sometimes. So, here you go. Do it the way that you feel comfortable, because you don't want it to slip and mark a couple of times. Okay, there you go. So that will do it too. That's nice. Last one. Of course, the CD got ruined right now, so I hope you have a CD that you're not going to use anymore. Okay. Nobody uses CDs anymore anyway. And so a lot of people still do. Okay. There you go. So we did the 4 corners, and we know we can fold them right now. Now the only thing left, and I'm going to show you a demonstration, if we're going to close this like that, and then we fold these like this. It'll be hard to open the box. You're going to struggle to open the box. To solve this problem, I'm going to show you something very nice. I'm going to come from this side, that the one side that we have folded the paper, and get a penny like this. And then I put that penny here, and I make a little hole, or just to mark it with a pencil. And then we're gonna cut that. Or you can cut it, mark it with the pen that doesn't have any ink also. So you see that? And then we can cut that. Not the whole penny, it's just half of it, just to make a little hole, so we can slide our fingers there to grab the paper like this, to grab it with the finger. You see that? Just to grab it with the finger. So we did one this side. We need to do the other one on the other side, the opposite side. So we do it this way. Just a little hole for the finger. That here. And we're gonna cut it with a scissor. You can get a small scissor if you like. Just grab what I have here in the kitchen. Okay. Throw that away. So now we need to start assembling the box. We did everything that needs to be done to the box to be ready. To assemble it, we need glue. So I'm using Elmer's glue. Of course, it's purple and the paper is purple. I didn't do that on purpose, but it's funny. And I love the purple color, by the way. Okay, so we do that. This goes on purple but dry clear, and it dry very quickly, which is really good, and we need it right now. I don't want to wait here forever to show you how it's gonna look like. So here you go. Usually the other white glue takes forever, but here you go. Did that like this. I think it's dried now, but anyway, meanwhile this drying, we need to look for ribbon to put it around it like these. So what do you think? We put the red on top of the purple. Looks nice. Or the white. Or the green. I kind of between the red and the green. The red make it more purpley. The green make it more like bluish. I don't know. So we're gonna use, I'll go with the red. I'll go with the red. Okay. So I think it's dried now. Okay. I'll wait a second more. Now we have the gift, and we also have tissue paper. So we take one tissue paper. We're gonna wrap the gift inside it, and then we put it inside the box when we're done. Okay, so I'm just getting that ready. Till the glue already, and then have the tissue paper is here. The gift also. And I'm gonna wrap the gift. Nice gift we have here. And just wrap it like that. So it'll fit in the box and it won't fall or anything. Okay. Now let's get the box. Now we have the box here and we have the hole from both sides. We close this side and work on the other side. So we have one side closed. Look how beautiful that is. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put the gift. It's not gonna go this way. Let's do it this way. But we will go faster, easier. See? That's awesome. Just put the gift in there. We close this just like that. And then the other one. Notice that it holds itself and we don't have to do anything. We can put a bow inside, but I'm gonna put the ribbon that we just talked about. Let's do that. So it holds these sides in place, even if it's holding by itself, but we'll do it that way. Okay, we get the ribbon, put the gift in here. And tie it. We tie a knot like that. Hold it in place. Make this like a bow. And then this around it. This way. and then take it from the other side here, like that. And you cut this an angle like the other one. And here you go. You have a beautiful gift. If the bow's too big, just do this. So with this will be nice, but the bow in the right size. Here you go. Nice, beautiful gift. So we have different sizes right there. And this, but it's the same idea. This also a different one. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you liked the video. If you do, please subscribe and give me thumbs up. That will help. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you soon. I think I'm going to do this next. So if you want to stop by and see this gift box, this small, or you can do a bigger one. And again, like I said, this box right here. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a nice gift. Bye-bye.